Hello, this is the week 13 coding assignment video submission for the pet store application. Okay, so the first thing we did was go to our Spring Boot initializer website to get the correct pom.xml dependencies. So here's that, all four dependencies, JPA, the web, MySQL, and Lombok. And then we created our three classes under the pet store entity package, customer, employee, and pet store classes. So then first thing we have is our customer class and all the different instances, variable instances that were provided in the homework. And all three classes have the entity and data plugins in there. So down here we have the many-to-many relationship, customers. Okay, so yes, and then we go to our employee class, and it's essentially the same thing as the customer, just different variable instances, many-to-many relationship. And then pet store class, essentially the same thing. All three classes have the equals and hash code and the toString .exclude in order to prevent them from, an infinite loop when the method is called. After that, we created our main application, our main method application, pet store application under the pet store package, which indicates that it's a Spring Boot application basically, and then runs it. Okay. After that, we created the configuration, which is the YAML file. Here's our configuration right here. That will allow us to connect Eclipse to MySQL and dbeaver. Here we are. Then we created our schema in MySQL. Here's our schema. Pet store. User created a user privilege and gave it all the different privileges. Excuse me. Okay, so that was that. And then we pull up dbeaver so you can created the new connection with pet store and dbeaver. As you can see right here, there's no tables created. So we're going to go ahead and run the main method application. Run as Java application. Okay, so then as you can see right here, it created all the different tables right here. We're getting all these, error because we haven't inputted any data. But here are the tables. So we'll go to dbeaver and refresh this pet store. Refresh, and then here are the tables created. Here's a ER diagram. Hopefully it pops up. This. There we go. So here's our ER diagram table, and that should be it for this week. Oh, and the draw or the ER diagram showing the relationships between the databases. So here's the diagram also created: pet store employee, the many-to-one, and the many-to-many relationship. All right, thank you very much.